Everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain what Metamask is and how to use it in your cryptocurrency activity. So first we will talk about what it is, then we will go over some of its main features and things you should take into consideration when it comes to using this crypto wallet. So as I mentioned in one of the previous videos, Metamask is one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets and is specifically known for its simplicity and ease of use. It is completely free to use. It's available on both desktop and mobile and allows you to buy, hold and trade crypto coins and also NFTs across the Ethereum network along with few other blockchains. Now there are several features that make it useful and the choice of so many users around the globe. The following are some of the main ones. Firstly, there is no sign-up process where you need to fill in some personal information and identity documents. This is good as many people rather keeping their privacy for various reasons. Also, it's super easy to download and install using different type of devices. Once you set up an account, you can import it to any other device using a 12-word seed phrase which you receive once opening the account. Another thing is that the application supports over 500,000 different cryptocurrencies across several different blockchain networks such as Ethereum, Polygon, and the Binance Smart Chain. It's also important to know that under one application, you can easily create more wallets. Once you open your main wallet profile with a push of a button, you can add as much accounts as you want or need and get a new separate address for each one of them. So these are in a nutshell the main advantages of using the Metamask wallet. But now I want to mention a few points that can be perceived as downsides that you should take into consideration. So firstly, there's absolutely no way to reset, change or recover your password. And in practice, the only way to restore a wallet is through a 12-word seed phrase that I told you about that is created when creating your wallet. And you also cannot rely on their assistance, as Metamask technical support channels are very limited and most of the information is available in the self-help portal. There's also an email address you can communicate with. However, they won't be able to help you with matters such as lost passwords and seed phrases or hacked accounts and stolen coins. And another thing that is very important to mention that some people consider as a downside is that despite of the fact that Metamask supports so many assets, it does not support the biggest one in crypto, which is the Bitcoin. Okay, but overall, if to sum it up, there is no doubt that Metamask is a great tool, one of the most important and popular crypto wallets for a reason. So I suggest that you have one if you are involved in any way in the cryptocurrency market. I myself use one and I find it very useful. And if you have questions about Metamask or you'd like me to cover more of its features, please let me know in the comments below or by email. And that's it for this video. For now, I just wanted to introduce you with Metamask wallet and review it, and in the future videos we might go deeper and explore some more. Please don't forget to subscribe to get notifications for more valuable content, and I will see you soon in the next video.